Okay guys, really quick, if you're trying to jack your A6 C7 up and you're getting caught with where do you put the jack stands because of all the plastic and stuff underneath the car, I looked for ages and what I found was a forum post which I will link below. But basically you jack the rear, which gets you which will get you high enough to get the stand in on the front. Then you go around the other side of the car, see there, I have the jack over there, jack that stand up on that side, jack the car up on that side, and that will give you enough height to get your stand on the back here, which finally means you're just putting the stands at the jack points. It just means then that you have two stands safely under the car. I spent ages trying to figure out how could I jack the car up but then get the stand in. Just worth mentioning guys, you're going to be jacking one of these up with a trolley jack. I'm going to grab one of these little adapters. I'll drop a link below. It sits up into the little hole that Audi use for jacking cars. Well worth having it just to make sure the car doesn't slip on you.